Hi there, I am Joseph Fusino, Yada Chef in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and this great place I'm cooking out of is Kitchen 953. Kitchen 953 is the county's #1 shared professional space. So scones, or scones as some people like to call them, seem to be shrouded in all this mystery. I just want to take the mystery out of scones, out of the tradition of tea, or high tea as they call it in Scotland, with a recipe that is a chocolate chip scone. So I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate scone. Now, simple. It's the same recipe as you would for a regular scone. This is flour, sugar, baking powder, and I've replaced a quarter of the flour with some chocolate powder, some butter, an egg, and some heavy cream, and dumping in my chocolate chips. So everything is nicely incorporated. I'm just going to knead it together just to get all of the chocolate chips into the dough. I'm going to put it out onto the table. I'm using a little bit of extra cocoa powder. It's the rest of my chocolate chip. And we're going to work it in just a little bit. You don't really want to overwork your dough. It'll get tough, and you won't have a nice scone. So, here you go. That's nicely incorporated. You can see my cocoa powder. You're going to put your scones onto a pre-greased baking sheet. They're going to bake in a hot oven, 425 degrees, 220 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. All right, so I've taken the chocolate scones with chocolate chips out of the oven. They were in there for 10 to 12 minutes. Here they are on the plate on my cutting board. I just want to cut one open to show you just how delicious and gooey they are. Look at that. So, here you go. This is the chocolate scone with chocolate chips. I am Joseph Fusino. Thank you for watching.